Today's sponsor is BT Miners. BT Miners has been a longtime sponsor of the channel and a proven reliable source for ASIC miners. If you are looking to purchase ASICs hardware from Bitcoin to Dogecoin miners, they are available for purchase on bt-miners.com. BT Miners has recently launched an app on iOS and Android that lets you browse their inventory by profitability and return on investment. Follow the affiliate link in the description and use promo code SOAT for a discount. Early Bitcoin miner apparently sent 1,000 Satoshi era Bitcoin to trading desks this week. These Bitcoin were mined at the very early stages of the network for an estimated $100 as per Crypto Quant. Somebody that did some early Bitcoin mining is just cashing in right now. I don't know why you cash in right now. Would you cash in 1,000 Bitcoin right now, or would you still hold? I mean, I suppose if you're in a position where you really need that liquidity, maybe it is time. Maybe they are a miner and they're going to buy a bunch of mining equipment right before this. That's a potential, I suppose. What would you do, right? A significant amount of Bitcoin acquired by mining. Yeah, so we covered that. Sorry. Over 1,000 Bitcoins is how much from an early miner were moved to trading desk and custodian services on December 4th, on-chain data firm CryptoQuant shared with CoinDesk in a Thursday report. These tokens were previously moved 13 years ago between August and November of 2010 and were mined from block rewards at an estimated total cost of $100. Here's the address, and it received 999.99 Bitcoin in a single transaction and sent the holding to several addresses shortly after receiving them. The Bitcoin transferred was eventually consolidated into an address that is listed on the CoinDesk article, which now holds a balance of 1,028 Bitcoin. These Bitcoin holdings have a market value of 40 million US dollars at current prices. Satoshi era refers commonly to the period when Bitcoin's pseudonymous creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, was active on online forums from late 2009 to 2011. Quote, "We speculate this early miner has sold the 1,000 Bitcoin, sending them into an over-the-counter or custodian service," end quote. CryptoQuant analysts told CoinDesk in a note, because of the transaction patterns of the receiving address, there is a possibility that the Bitcoin was sent into an over-the-counter or custodian service, end quote. Several Satoshi era Bitcoin have been active since the start of 2023. In July, a wallet that had been dormant for 11 years transferred $30 million worth of assets to other wallets, while in August, another wallet transferred 1,005 Bitcoin to a new address. Such activity comes amid renewed optimism for Bitcoin adoption as prices have more than doubled on a year-to-date basis. It is believed Bitcoin's price has been rising dramatically over the past few weeks because of the anticipation around the approval of a possible ETF. Traders pricing in expected rate cuts in the US, which buoys risky bets such as technology stocks and Bitcoin, and possibly sovereign adoption as Bitcoin-friendly leaders take the helm in major economies. Yeah, talk about El Salvador just getting paid off right now. Like all of that struggle from them, everybody talking crap about them, and then it's like, the other countries are like, maybe we screwed up yet. Maybe we screwed up. All right, let's talk about another Bitcoin miner, CleanSpark, into cut neutral. So Bitcoin miner CleanSpark cut to neutral. Riot platforms upgraded to neutral, says JPMorgan. So they're bringing down the. Here's what's happening. JPMorgan is essentially reevaluating public crypto mining platforms, CleanSpark and Riot platforms. Riot got upgraded to neutral and CleanSpark got cut down to neutral. The 4-year block reward revenue opportunity is about $31 billion at current Bitcoin prices, the report said. JPMorgan is tweaking its price targets and ratings for Bitcoin mining stocks to reflect the recent rally in the leading cryptocurrency. The network hash rate and other company-specific news, the bank said in a research report Friday. Since the bank last refreshed its price targets on these stocks, the Bitcoin price has risen 12%, and the network hash rate has increased by 2%. Therefore, it lifts its spot Bitcoin price assumption to 44,000 from 38,000, and its baseline network hash rate assumption to 485 exahash from 475 exahash. The bank cut its rating on CleanSpark to neutral from overweight and reduced its price target on the stock from $8 to $9, noting that the shares have gained more than 130% in the last month and so are now properly valued. On the other side of things, Riot Platforms has been upgraded to neutral from underweight with an increased price target from $12 to $12 from $8. JPMorgan remains overweight. Iris Energy, its top pick in the sector, and raises its price target from $9.50 from $9. The bank maintains its underweight rating on Marathon Digital, but raises its price target to $8.50 from $8. Quote, at current prices, we size the 4-year block reward opportunity at $31 billion US, up from 11% in December 1st and 105% year over year, analysts Reginald Smith and Charles Pierce wrote. So it looks like, the large banking industry is taking note of the increase in price of Bitcoin, but I could have told you this last year. In fact, I'm pretty sure I did. I told you guys we would be right here at this price point before the halving. I told you guys that. So we've known this. We knew where we were going to be. It's fine. The question will be do we go up even further from here? I still think like the cap before April is probably 50,000. I know that sounds not that optimal, right? But I like to be conservative as far as that is concerned. Do you guys think before April or before the halving we will exceed that, or do you think it will go down? The only kind of factor that I think is interesting is more difficulty on the network as the S21s get delivered after the first of the year. And that increase in difficulty could increase the cost to mint even further. And in that particular case, we could see in general maybe a price that goes up a little bit higher. It would be a little crazy to see us go above previous all-time highs before the typical time target of 6 months to a year after the halving. I don't know. Just kind of some thoughts as far as that goes. Now, you guys mined during the bear market. You made it through. Well, at least maybe a half of you. I know a lot of you motherfuckers over here didn't actually do it, but the ones that did, I have a new shirt for you guys, and it says, I mined with the bears for the bear market, okay? So if you mined with the bears and you want to rep that you did mine during the bear market, go ahead and head on over to shop.sonofatech.com. And the listing will be down below. I'll put it in live chat right now. I have a sweatshirt. There's a sticker if you'd rather have a sticker, t-shirt, premium shirt, all that cool stuff. Really like the new shirt. I ordered a few for myself and I just had that design finished this week. Eventually it'll be on the YouTube channel, but that takes a little bit of time. So just give it some time. Proceeds, of course, go to supporting me in the channel. So there you go. And I thought we put some work into it, and I thought you guys might enjoy it. Thanks for watching this clip from the Crypto Mining Show. You can check out the full episode here, and don't forget to subscribe down here as well. You can also check out my crypto mining e-course at sonofatech.com, where you can get a free month of supporter status with a purchase at sonofatech.locals.com. Also, don't forget to check out my merch underneath the video or at shop.sonofatech.com. I'll see you next Tuesday.